What's going on, everyone? Chris Jarzik, your Southwest Florida realtor with MVP Realty. I hope you are having an amazing day. I certainly know I am. The sun is shining. It's about 82 degrees. Another beautiful day here in Southwest Florida. Wanted to thank you for checking out today's video. I'm going to be doing an informational video on Stonewater here in beautiful Cape Coral, Florida. Usually I do home tour videos and show you layouts, designs, floor plans, walkthroughs. This one's going to be a little bit different. This is just purely informational based. I'm going to give you a description of what CDD fees are, how many lots in Stonewater available, how many lots have sold. These videos for me are not the most fun to do, but I know people request them and they like them, so me being a realtor of the people, I want to give everyone what they want, and this is very information-packed. Again, not the most fun video for me to shoot. I love being at the communities and showing you guys the homes and giving you the layouts and showing you anything and everything community regarding. This one I put the green screen on and we'll slap a background up with Stonewater on it. But yeah, so I figured I would do a little bit of an intro. Thank you guys for checking out the video and hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Enjoy Stonewater's informational video and we'll see you on the next one. Let's roll it. What's going on, everyone? Chris Jarzik, your Southwest Florida realtor with MVP Realty. I hope you are having an amazing day. I certainly know I am. For today's video, I'm going to be providing you with information on Stonewater, one of Cape Coral's newest communities. If you are new to my channel, I have done several home tour videos featuring the models available in Stonewater. I will go ahead and put those home tour links in the description box below. Feel free to check them out. Stonewater is a DR Horton community located in Northwest Cape Coral, Florida. The community has 327 home sites, and at the time of this video, 87 of those are sold. The gated community offers 1- and 2-story single-family homes, ranging from approximately 1,670 square feet to 2,700 square feet of living space. A large portion of the homes in Stonewater will have nice water views. There are a total of 4 lakes in Stonewater, 3 that are very large and 1 smaller lake. Stonewater offers an amenities center with a heated pool, fitness center, pickleball, tennis court, tot lot, and a barbecue area. Along with being gated and having cameras for security, as a resident of Stonewater, you also receive lot lawn care, irrigation, once-a-year mulch, common area plant replacement, association management insurance for all common areas, and lake fountain maintenance. The current HOA fee for all of these amenities I just mentioned is $208.52 per month. There are a few other fees, along with the HOA fee, a $750 one-time capital contribution, and an $800 hookup fee. Stonewater, like most communities, has a community development fee, or CDD for short. A CDD fee is a bond taken out to pay for the infrastructure of a community. The CDD fee for Stonewater is $1,526 per year. The CDD fee is added to the tax bill of the homeowner. The CDD fee is paid yearly by the homeowner over a 30-year period. On occasion, you will find that some communities and developments do not have a CDD fee that is paid yearly. Those communities generally put that cost into the price of the home as an upfront cost, and that will raise the price of the home anywhere from $30,000 to $50,000, depending on what that may be, and that's paid at the time of purchase. All the homes in Stonewater are DR Horton homes. There are no Express homes in the community. The Express series models that DR Horton does are slightly different in design and lack the upgrades of the Horton style homes in Stonewater. Having recently sat with the builder, I feel it's important for me to be transparent with you, the viewer, in regards to how DR Horton has changed their model, if you will. In years past, they offered different design packages that a home buyer could choose when they went under contract. You could choose tile throughout, you could pick your cabinet colors, granite, etc. Currently, DR Horton has moved away from that in all of their communities, not just Stonewater. They'll no longer be doing the to-be-built homes. All the homes they are building, from the 300s all the way up to $1 million plus, the design packages will have already been chosen for you. The builder made mention that with supply issues and in the interest of completing the homes for the homeowner in a timely manner, they had to move away from their design center and just scrap that project. What was taking place was buyers were looking for upgrades and things were getting pushed back, and it was just slowing the process of construction down. And they wanted to make it less, troublesome and make it more seamless. They opted to move away from this for a more streamlined approach, obviously. Being honest, most of my clients have had no issue with the packages that have been offered in the spec homes, basically. They've liked everything they've seen. Last thing I'd like to mention about Stonewater is the location. Stonewater is not located in a flood zone, so it does not require you to have a flood policy. I get a lot of questions regarding insurance in Florida, and I assure you we have companies who issue policies here. Also, in regards to Stonewater location, the community is close to schools, shopping, 3 fitness centers, and plenty of nice restaurants. That will do it for today's informational video on Stonewater here in Cape Coral, Florida. If you have any questions about Stonewater, feel free to comment down below, or you can reach me by phone. My number is 239-823-1685. I will also put a link in the description box below. If you have any questions regarding Stonewater and you just like instant information, go ahead and click that link. It will give you a look at floor plans, any of the HOA fees, basically anything and everything regarding Stonewater here in Cape Coral. And also don't forget, in the description box below, I will put all of the home tour links. Feel free to check those out. And if you want, feel free to like and subscribe. That will help me to be motivated to put out more informational videos for you. So that's Chris Jarzik with MVP Realty. Thank you for checking out the informational video on Stonewater here in Cape Coral, Florida, and I'll see you on the next one.